Something special awaits us each day. All we need to recognize it and make the most of it. We should have a positive attitude throughout the day, and then that today is going to be the best day of our life. With this beautiful light, a very warm good morning to one and all present over here, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Sampath Kumar Hendram, on behalf of Standard 9, welcoming you to today's morning assembly. Let's start the morning assembly with DAV gun.
School! Attention! Ready for the gun? Join your hands and close your eyes.
First of all, I would like to call the taking place.
School! Stand at ease.
Everyone, myself, Natik Naik, Standard 5. Take place position. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, all elders respect and great variety with country. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their will-being properties alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Now I would like to call evening 10 principals of Arya Samaj.
मेरा नाम नैतिक माटो है। मैं कक्षा 5 सेक्शन बी में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आर्य समाज के 2 नियम बोलने जा रहा हूँ। पहला नियम, वेद सब सत्य विद्याओं का पुस्तक है। वेद का पढ़ना पढ़ाना सुनना सुनाना सब आर्यों का परम धर्म है। दूसरा, सत्य के ग्रहण करने और असत्य को छोड़ने में सर्वदा उद्यत रहना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
For today's thought, I would like to call.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mayank Kumar Nag. Thought of the day is: no boy will ever succeed as a man who does not in his youth begin to save. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for prayer song.
For today's news, I would like to call.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ombre Pradhan of Standard 5. Today's news headlines are: PM Modi has people-friendly and progressive budget. Expert panel clears Covaxin for emergency use in 2 to 18 age group. Neeraj Chopra nominated for L'Oreal Suar Sports Award. Focus of budget on providing basic amenities to poor. Odisha relaxes night curfew by an hour. Saraswati Puja was allowed in schools. State gear up to host 2022 Odisha Open International Badminton Tournament. India successfully test fire supersonic BrahMos missile of Odisha coast. Odisha made COVID-19 rapid antigen test kit gets ICMR approval. Thank you.
For some amazing fact, I would like to call.
Good morning everyone. My name is Krishna Gandhi Mahanti. I study in class 5. Today's facts are Ravindranath Tagore. Number 1. Ravindranath Tagore was the world famous poet, novelist, playwright, philosopher and composer. Number 2. He was the only non-European to win the
Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali. Number 3. Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana was written by him. It inspires every Indian. Number 4. He started Santi Niketan Ashram and founded the Bhisabhati University. Number 5. He was deeply involved with theatre, drawing, painting, and also composed his own songs. Thank you.
Now I will like to call Sugar presenting today's word.
Good morning. I am Ananya Mahanta, study in class 6. Today's word of the day is starving. Its spelling STARVING. Starving. Its meaning suffering from hunger. I repeat my word, starving. Its spelling STARVING. Starving. Its meaning suffering from hunger. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for national anthem.
If you have the chance to make people happy, just do it. Sometimes people are struggling silently. Maybe your act of kindness can make their day. So with this beautiful line, I am concluding today's morning assembly. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
School! Stand at ease. Assembly dispersed.